Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove your Apple Cash Card from Apple Wallet in 2025 step by step. So step 1, open the wallet app on your iPhone and you can scroll down until you find your Apple Cash Card. Step 2, tap on the Apple Cash Card and then tap the three-dot icon on the top right corner to access the card settings. Step 3, scroll down to the bottom of the settings screen and tap on the Remove Card. Step 4, confirm the action when prompted, and once it's removed, the Apple Cash Card will disappear from your wallet. Step 5, always keep in mind that removing the cards does not close your Apple Cash account, and you can also re-add it again later. And now you have successfully removed the Apple Cash Card from your wallet. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.